I wanna show you guys how to add a Glitch Stutter Transition effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! To start, I have already edited 2 video clips here. Go to your panel control, right click of the mouse and create new adjustment layer. Then select your adjustment layer, right click of the mouse and select speed duration. Put the value to 8 frames. Drag your adjustment layer above the clips to be precise in the middle of them. Go to Effects and write Digital Glitch. Add your digital glitch effect above the adjustment layer. Again, right at the effects strobe light and add the strobe light effect to your adjustment layer. Go to Effects Control and by the digital glitch, expand the distortion. By the color distortion, change the value to 100, distortion rate to 75, distortion evolution to 100. Then go to strobe light. Under the strobe color, choose the black color. Blend with original to 50. Random strobe probability to 50%. Perfect, everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.